Welcome to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song I Am So Blessed. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. I Am So Blessed by Cain. This song has been kind of popular lately. But we're going to be playing it in the key of D, which is the original key. I'm using a capo, so I'm playing C shapes. So C moved up one is a key of D, right? So I'm gonna show you how to play it, and then we'll go from there. Trouble knocking at my door today, I ain't gonna let it in. Worry gonna steal my joy away, I ain't gonna let it in. Cause on my best days, I'm a child of God. On my worst days, I'm a child of God. Oh, every day, it's a new day, and you're the reason why. So for that verse 1, we're going to be playing C. Trouble knocking at my A minor on my. So you're going to be trouble knocking at my door today. And then you're going to do F and C. I ain't gonna let it in. You could also do the little slap. Keep it more acoustic-y. But you could go without it as well. It's up to you. Trouble knocking at my door today, I ain't gonna let it in. Right? So F, I ain't gonna let it. And then on in, you're gonna play C. In. And then you're gonna play your G. Worry gonna steal to your A minor. So on worry you play G. Worry gonna steal, and then on my A minor. My joy again. My joy away. Right? So trouble knocking at my door today. F, C. Right? And then G, worry gonna steal my joy. Worry wanna steal my joy away. And then F, I ain't gonna let it win. So F, C, right there at the end. After that, you're gonna go into your pre-chorus, which is you play like this. On my best days, I'm a child of God. On my worst days, I'm a child of God. Oh, every day, it's a good day, and you're the reason why. And then you go into chorus, right? So for that pre-chorus, it's gonna be same chords. It changes a little bit, but for the most part the same. On my best, you're gonna play on best. You're gonna play C. On my best days, and then you slap, right? So strum, slap, A minor, okay? On my best days, A minor. So they're like back to back. On my best days, I'm a child of God. On my worst days, you play your F, and then you're gonna go to your G sus, which I play like that. You got your ring finger, pinky at the bottom, and then you have your index right there. Right? So on my best days, A minor, child of God. On my F to your G sus, I'm a child of God. And then you're gonna go to your A minor. Oh, every day is a good day. A minor, F, right there on good. So every day, A minor. Oh, every day is a F on good, a good day. And then you're gonna do D minor, F, G. And you're the reason why. So D minor, F, G. Okay? And then you're gonna go into your chorus. So I'll play a chorus. I'm so blessed, got this heartbeat in my chest. Doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, got this heartbeat in my chest. Doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. Okay, so for chorus, we'll go over the strumming pattern real quick so y'all can get it. So I'm so blessed. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, and you get the point. So yeah, that's the strumming pattern. I'm so blessed, I'm so blessed. Also, for the strumming pattern, you could also do a little bit of muting. So I'm so blessed. See how I muted there? I'm so blessed. Got this heartbeat in my chest. Doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. So you could also add that muting, right? So for chord wise, you're gonna be playing C. I'm so blessed. To your A minor, I'm so blessed, I'm so blessed, A minor, I got this. Go to your F, play F on heart. So got this heartbeat in my, then you go to your C, on my chest, it doesn't matter. So on matter, you go to G. No, it doesn't matter about the rest. G to A minor on rest, about the rest, right? So no, it doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got, you go to your F. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. They play a little tag there. I'm so blessed, hallelujah, I'm blessed. I'm so blessed, hallelujah, I'm blessed. I'm so blessed, hallelujah, I'm blessed. I'm so blessed. They go into verse 2. So for that turn, same thing. I'm so blessed. You play your C. Hallelujah, I'm blessed. I'm so F. Hallelujah, I'm blessed. So it's just going between C, A minor, F, and back to C. Playing the simple chords. There are some few chords in there that I'm not playing, but just to keep it more simple, I'm gonna keep it just the ones that are really needed. So on verse 2, when I count the problems that I see, hope looks all but gone. But when I count the ways you're good to me, you got me counting all day long. I'm so blessed, I'm so blessed, got this heartbeat. So you go into chorus right there. But verse 2 is going to be the same thing as verse 1. When I count the problems that I see, hope looks all but gone. Right? Keep the same strumming pattern. After that, you go into chorus. Got this heartbeat in my chest. Doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Got this heartbeat in my chest. Doesn't matter about the rest. If I've got you, Lord, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed. Hallelujah, I'm 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 blessed. And you could just end it there. On the outro, you just play that tag again. And that's pretty much the song. For structure wise, you're gonna be playing verse 1, you're gonna go to your chorus, and then you're gonna play your little tag with I'm so blessed, hallelujah, I'm blessed, and then after that, go back to chorus. Go back to verse 2, and then you play your pre-chorus, your chorus. Hope this helps. Consider subscribing, helps out the channel a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.